Welcome back to the 30-day low-fat vegan weight loss challenge. Today is day 30. You did it. Well done. And if you started and stopped a few times, that's okay too. This weight loss challenge playlist will stay here on YouTube for you to come back to at any time whenever you need a reminder of easy, healthy, low-fat vegan meals or some motivation. I'm going to share 3 things to master in order to ensure your success with sticking with healthy eating long term so that you can not only lose the weight, but keep it off. 1. Master your grocery shopping. Keeping it simple by having a 20-item grocery essentials list, aka a capsule grocery list, can save you time, energy, money, and prevent overwhelm. I have shared mine in several videos, but I'll put it up on the screen now if you want to take a screenshot just to have it as a reference. Basically, it's a list of ingredients that you can use to make several different healthy, filling, low-fat vegan meals with. It's very important to include 1 or more wet starches, like potatoes, sweet potatoes, oatmeal, rice, barley, quinoa, millet, etc. 2. Prepare to bounce back after failure. As I've said many times, we live in a world with tons of junk food tempting us daily, so the odds are you're going to fall off the healthy bandwagon at some point. Prepare in advance for how you're going to pick yourself up. This could include coming back to videos like mine or other vegan YouTubers. This could include making your favorite go-to healthy low-fat vegan meal. It should definitely also include cleaning out your fridge and getting the junk food out of your environment. Also, remind yourself of why you started this in the first place. What's your ultimate goal? How much does it mean to you? 3. The next helpful habit to master is food prepping. This doesn't have to be anything complex. It's as simple as chopping up and rinsing broccoli as soon as you bring it home and putting it in a container in the fridge, ready to add to any rice bowl or soup. It could be cooking a big batch of rice in the rice cooker or baking 4 or 5 potatoes in the air fryer so they're ready to eat when you're hungry and want a snack. You can just reheat them and drizzle on some sugar-free ketchup on top. Or you can make a big batch of soup, enough to last for 3 days. Anything that you can do to make this way of eating easier on yourself is bringing you one step closer to reaching your goal. Thank you so much for watching and for being a part of this, and to everyone who took the time to comment or leave feedback. I really appreciate it, and I wish you all the best. I'm going to be uploading videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays starting next week, so be sure to subscribe to the channel so you get notified of my uploads. See you then!